Hey, there, fellow crypto enthusiasts. Are you ready to learn how to make some serious money trading cryptocurrencies? In this video, we're going to show you everything you need to know about trading cryptocurrencies like a pro. But before that, if you're new here, we'd like to take a moment to invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be the first to know when we release new content about the world of cryptocurrency. We've got a lot of exciting videos planned in the coming weeks and months, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. To how-to guides and in-depth analysis, we're committed to bringing you the best content out there. And if you've already subscribed, thank you. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you even more great content in the future. So, without further ado, let's get into today's topic. Let's start with the basics. What is cryptocurrency trading, you ask? Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital assets, just like you would with traditional stocks and bonds. The goal is to make a profit by buying low and selling high. The good news is that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, which means there are plenty of opportunities for traders to make money. So, how do you get started? The first step is to choose a reliable cryptocurrency exchange. This is where you'll be buying and selling your digital assets. It's important to do your research and choose an exchange that's trustworthy, secure, and has a good reputation. Once you've chosen your exchange, the next step is to fund your account. You can do this by transferring funds from your bank account, credit card, or other digital wallets. Just be aware that some exchanges may have restrictions on which payment methods they accept. Now that you have funds in your account, it's time to start trading. But before you jump in, it's important to have a trading plan. This should include your goals, your risk tolerance, and your preferred trading strategy. Are you a day trader or a long-term investor? Do you prefer high-risk, high-reward trades, or are you more conservative? These are all important questions to consider before you start trading. When it comes to trading strategies, there are a few popular options to choose from. Some traders prefer technical analysis, which involves analyzing charts and trends to identify patterns and make predictions about future price movements. Others prefer fundamental analysis, which involves researching the underlying technology, market trends, and other factors that could impact the value of a particular cryptocurrency. One thing to keep in mind when trading cryptocurrencies is that the market is highly volatile. Prices can change rapidly, and it's not uncommon to see swings of 10% or more in a single day. This means that you need to be prepared for the ups and downs of the market and have a solid risk management strategy in place. So, there you have it, folks. With the right strategy, research, and risk management, you can make a lot of money trading cryptocurrencies. But remember, the market can be unpredictable, and there's always risk involved. So, it's important to do your research, start small, and always be prepared for the unexpected. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos about cryptocurrencies and other exciting topics. Thanks for watching.